Very often in June we get a dry spell, and there's a great need to conserve water so you can water things properly in your garden. And I thought it would probably be easiest to demonstrate a way to do this by coming up to the farm and showing you these large water tanks which take about 10,000 litres. This is all rainwater collected off the roofs of this building which we lamb our sheep in, and these tanks are still full after we've had a very dry April and an even drier May, and despite the number of animals that have been drinking this water. As you can see, it's just gravity fed and comes out in the water troughs very straightforwardly. Now, you can all do this at home by sticking a bucket underneath the gutter that comes down from your roof. You can do the same with your greenhouse and catch the water that's running off that into a tank. And basically, preserving water saves your water bills. It's the right sort of water, which very often the mains water won't be. And it's simple common sense, as we're doing here on the farm.